Yesterday, or rather last time in class, I assigned for homework the simple past tense in the purple book, which it looks like 38, 39, and 40. This book is a sentence practice book. It's designed to help you write sentences and practice sentences in English rather than practicing ideas. The important thing is the structure rather than the meaning. So over here on this side, we have the conjugation. This should say simple past tense. There's a lot of mistakes in this book, which is why you get it for free. You're testing it for me. So the conjugation, I worked yesterday, he, she, it worked, we, you, they worked, I didn't work, he, she, it didn't work, you, we, they didn't work. Question forms, did I work, did he, she work, did we, they work. WH questions, where did I work? Why did he, she, it work? Where did you, we, they work? Okay. Down here is just a simple warm-up section. So it's teaching you the rules. Simple past is used for completed actions in the past. Notice there is always a time word. Last night, yesterday, last week, 2 weeks ago, etc. It's used for duration in the past. I studied violin for 5 years. It's used for frequency in the past. When I was a child, I always played. In class, we learned that there are two other forms for frequency in the past. You can say, when I was a child. Remember, we learned this. You can say, when I was a child, I would always play. You can say, when I was a child, I used to always play. For frequency, there are two other forms. So there's a quick warm-up using different time markers. Yesterday, when I was a child, last weekend. So here, well, what did you do yesterday? I worked at Amazon. Okay, what did you do when you were a child? I ate ice cream. What did you do last weekend? Well, last weekend, my mother cooked sushi. Easy. The next page takes us through some sentence patterns, starting with simple and gradually becoming more complicated. So all you're supposed to do here is you fill in the blanks. Sorry, again, mistakes. This line should be longer. This is just trying to teach you the structure. So yesterday, the brown horse galloped. So here we need a time word. You can use yesterday. But you can use a different time word too. You can say this morning. All right, the adjective, noun, verb. Yesterday, the happy teacher left late. There's a sentence. There's a sentence using this pattern. Next pattern, here we're moving the time word to the end. The happy teacher left late yesterday. That's it. Here we have one with duration. All right, let's use a different time word. Let's use 2 years ago, the adjective. Okay, the small noun, chicken ate. 2 years ago, the small chicken ate. What do chickens eat? Cereal. For an hour. And again, the meaning is not important. What is important is the structure. And so we continue down here. We have some more complicated ones. The brown horse snorted, neighed, and galloped. Okay. The young woman sang, laughed, and danced. Here we have a complex sentence. Asking you for a time word, so let's do January. When the snow fell, The happy cat, left, bird, and that's it. Again, meaning not important. What's important is the structure. Down here, very similar thing, practicing with questions. Did the horse gallop? Where did the horse gallop? It's just asking you to practice writing questions in this tense. So did the nouns verb. Oh my God, there are so many stupid mistakes in this book. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. Did the, all right, did the painter, did the painter, yeah, that's it. Where did the painter write? Using where? This one has you answer with a noun clause. You pick one of these introductory clauses and you fill in the blanks. So introductory clause, let's do it doesn't matter whether or not the painter worked. And then you write sentences here using that pattern. I asked you to skip this page. I think it's hard. This is the reading. I think it's a little hard. If you want to keep going, there are lots of other sentence templates here, which gives you space to write simple practice sentences. Did the horse gallop yesterday? Where did the horse gallop yesterday? And of course, we can type our own using our own ideas. Did the student study yesterday? Where did the student study yesterday? And then over here on this side of the page, you can make practice sentences using this pattern. Where did the student study yesterday? Where did the woman eat yesterday? Where did the man go yesterday? Once again, the idea is that by practicing these structures over time, you will improve your ability to understand and use English better.